Hello, welcome to Glide Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to post as anonymous on Facebook group. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your Facebook. The next is to click on the search option in order to search the particular group you want to post. Okay, all I have to do here is to click on this write something option here. I'll type what I want to write. Happy Sunday to everyone. So all I have to do is to turn on anonymous to go. Just click on it. Click on got. So now turning on, all I have to do now is to, if I want to add a gallery, any picture, I just have to click on the gallery option and then add it. After done that, just click on the post option here and it will post, and then it will post to, but before it will be able to post to the group, the admin of this group have to approve it first. So that's the step you have to take in order to post as anonymous on Facebook group. If this video was helpful, please do what to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.